Hello, this is Ngani Moyo from Inore Medical Equipment Company, and today we have the low speed centrifuge right here. As you can see on the panels here, we have the timer, the speed at which you can set the speed from here, and the rotations per minute. And to open it up from here, you just click the lock and it opens up to reveal the inlet for the test tubes. So these can hold up to 24 test tubes. So the centrifuge is mainly used to separate mixtures of different densities using centrifugal force. So I can just demonstrate to you. You pick your minutes. Maybe we just go for one for the demonstration and we start. Slow, very low, and if you want to stop it, you can just click the stop function here. But all that's depending on the mixture you have. So this is our low speed centrifuge. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you here soon.